Hello friends, welcome to the FAQ series, where we are answering all the frequently asked questions about PickMyTrade. So another question that users generally ask is, how to enter take profit and stop loss in strategy? So firstly, the answer is no, we cannot enter stop loss or take profit in strategy in PickMyTrade. When you click on generate an alert and select indicator, you can select take profit and stop loss from here. But when it comes to strategy, here it does not allow us to select take profit and stop loss. So how can we do that? So ideally, you need to do it on your TradingView Pine script only, and let me tell you the reason. It is because, let's say you get your entry trade, and we allow you to take profit and stop loss in PickMyTrade, so what would happen? We will make an entry trade, and we will place take profit and stop loss. Let's say, because of your take profit and stop loss, trade gets closed, and whatever strategy you are running in TradingView will not be aware whether that trade gets closed or not, so what it will do, it will again place a closed trade. PickMyTrade will understand this as a new sell trade. This will not close the trade because trade already has been closed by take profit and stop loss. Now you get the sell alert from your strategy, so TradingView is sending a sell alert for closing the position, but PickMyTrade will understand that this is a sell alert and it would end up short position. So that's why we don't allow take profit and stop loss in strategy. So if you want, you can code take profit and stop loss in your Pine script only,